So today we're going to make really simple but fantastic and beautifully tasty Chinese pork, belly pork with hoisin sauce. There's nothing to it and it's delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so I've got a lovely bowl here of belly pork. So a nice bit of fat on there, but also some nice meat. What we're going to do is we're going to fry this off with a few spices first. So you're going to need a wok or a frying pan or something like that with a very small amount of oil, because we're going to render some oil from this. You're going to get plenty of oil from your belly pork. Okay, I've got some star anise there, in that goes. And I've got some white peppercorns, big handful of those. Medium heat. We're going to fry this for about 7 to 8 minutes. You can have it up high if you want, but it will start to really spit and splutter at you. So I like to go medium for about 7 or 8 minutes. Render this down, cook it, then we can move on to the next step. Okay, so you can see that this is cooked nicely. I didn't get loads of oil actually. Sometimes you get loads more than that. It wasn't too bad. So we can set this aside and move on. Beautiful. Okay, so we're back with the same wok. I've retained a little bit of the oil, not all of it. We're on a high heat. We're going to drop in here. I've got like a tablespoon of ginger. I've cut mine nice and thick. You can cut it smaller and thinner if you want. To that we're going to add a tablespoon of garlic, chopped garlic. 1 cup of onions. And now we reintroduce the pork. I'm going to add some salt, not too much because the hoisin sauce is quite salty. Some black pepper, ground black pepper. Now we're going to go for 4 minutes on a high heat. Keep it moving. Really fantastic. Now we're going to get our hoisin sauce. I've got here, let's have a look, 1, 2 heaped tablespoons. We're going to add a splash of water. And 4 more minutes, high heat. Keep it moving all the time now. Fantastic. Off goes the heat. In goes some green onions. I've cut mine fairly chunky. You can chop them nice and small if you like. And that's it. You've done it. That's beautiful. A few little sesame seeds. Fabulous. Lovely with rice, that is. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe. Keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for checking out our videos. I really do appreciate it. We're going great guns. We've got over 100 million views as I speak, over 500,000 subscribers. I mean, we've been going for some years now, but yeah, we're doing great. We're just banging away. Just moved house, so you're going to see a bit of a different kitchen very soon in the next videos, if not already. This might be on the end of one of the new ones. I'm sitting in a completely empty house right now, apart from this table and a couple of bits, because we've been so busy doing that. Enjoying ourselves, kids are fine, and yeah, enjoying life as much as we can. Now, if you do want to support the channel, and I really would like you to if you want, there's a link below for a PayPal account. Stick in $1,000 for me, will you? Every week, without fail. No, seriously, if you want to donate any money, even like $2, $3 or something like that, it really does help us out. We don't endorse any products. I don't sort of take sponsorship from anyone. Basically, because I don't think most of it's any good, to be honest. Not that I'm sort of not a capitalist, but yeah, if you want to donate, that'd be brilliant. Check out Rahel's channel, which is Ethiopian food that she does. She's doing great with that. All in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia. Might be a bit difficult for you to watch. Chef June is obviously banging stuff out on the channel here, doing some fantastic Filipino stuff. He's also got his own channel. Again, the link's down below for that. That's it. Doing well, enjoying life. Hope you're enjoying life as well. Again, thank you so much for checking out our channel. See you later.